Are you experiencing Fire Stick issues with LG TV? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the HDMI port. When using a Fire Stick with an LG TV, several issues may arise, often related to connectivity or compatibility. If your Fire Stick is not displaying a signal on the LG TV, first ensure that it is securely plugged into the HDMI port. Try different HDMI ports on the TV to rule out a faulty port. Unplug the Fire Stick from the HDMI port and the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds, then reconnect it to see if the issue resolves. Method 2. Check the adapter. Ensure the Fire Stick is powered using the original power adapter, as connecting it through the TV's USB port may not provide sufficient power. Also, check the adapter for any physical damage. In case of any doubt, you can replace the old adapter and buy a new one. Method 3. Check the power supply. You should also check the main wall outlet and see if it is faulty. You can connect the devices to some other power source and check if that works. Method 4. Check for software updates. Ensure both your Fire Stick and LG TV are running the latest software updates. On the Fire Stick, go to Settings and select My Fire TV and select About. Now check for updates on your Fire TV. For the LG Smart TV WebOS 22, WebOS 6.0 and WebOS 5.0 versions, go to Settings, then All Settings, then Support. Select Software Update. Select Check for updates, and if an update is available, download and install them. If you wish to have the TV update automatically, turn on Auto Update. Once download is complete, power off the TV for 10 seconds, then power on to install the update. Method 5. Test with other devices. To determine whether the issue lies with the Fire Stick or the TV, test the Fire Stick on another TV. If it works, the problem may be with the LG TV. Conversely, if it doesn't work on another TV, the Fire Stick may be faulty. Method 6. Reset the TV. If the Fire Stick still doesn't work, consider resetting your LG TV to factory settings. This can sometimes resolve compatibility issues. Turn on the TV and select All Settings, then select General, select Reset to Initial Settings. Confirm Reset to Initial Settings to start the initialization. The steps may vary as per your TV model version. You can check the usual manual or contact LG support to know how to update your LG TV model. Method 7. Check the HDMI extender. Using an HDMI extender can sometimes lead to connectivity problems due to signal loss, improper connection, or inadequate power supply. To resolve this, power off the devices, remove the HDMI extender and insert the Fire Stick directly into an HDMI port on your LG TV. Method 8. Contact support. If none of these solutions work, consider reaching out to Amazon support or LG customer service for further assistance. And there you have it, the ways to fix Fire Stick issues with LG TV. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.